The standing overhead cable triceps extension with dual hook straight bar primarily targets the long head of the triceps to build mass and definition in the back of your arms. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a dual hook straight bar to the cable machine pulleys. Stand facing away from the cable machine, holding the straight bar overhead with an overhand palms facing forward grip. To lift more weight, stagger your stance for added stability or stand with your feet shoulder width apart to increase core activation. Extend your arms straight overhead, keeping your elbows close to your ears while engaging your core and maintaining an upright chest with a slight bend in your knees. Avoid arching your lower back to maintain proper form and protect your spine. Inhale, then bend your elbows to slowly lower the bar behind your head while maintaining control. Keep your elbows fixed and your upper arms stationary close to your head with only your forearms moving during the exercise. Exhale as you extend your elbows and press the bar back up to the starting position, fully straightening your arms and squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.